Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to work through our notes in 3 short videos. There's really 3 different problem types you're going to be working with today. This is the first one. Is it a factor? So if I think about, say, the number 18, I know it has a set of factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. What does that mean? Well, if I were to divide 18 by any one of those numbers, it would divide evenly. It would have no remainder. So when we deal with polynomials, we are going to do the same thing. We are looking for factors by checking to see if when we divide, there is a 0 remainder. So we can use synthetic division here. We're going to put the 3 in our synthetic division box, 1, 2, and -3. We'll bring our first term down, and then we multiply 3 times 1 to get 3. Then we add this column, 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we multiply again, 3 times 5 is 15. I add one more time, and I see that my remainder is 12. What does that mean? This is not a factor. X minus 3 is not a factor. Let's look at one more example to see when kind of things do go right. Here they ask us, is x plus 4 a factor of this quartic polynomial? Well, I'm going to put that -4 again in my synthetic division box, and then I'm going to list my coefficients. 2, 8, 0, make sure you account for that missing term, 2, and 8, right? Notice that our exponents go 4, 3, 1, 0. We're missing that 2. The x squared really needs to go in that slot there. So we account for that with that placeholder 0. Well, now the whole process is the same. We're going to bring our first term down. We multiply -4 times 2 to get -8. We add, get 0, multiply, get 0, add and get 0, multiply and get 0, and then we add and get 2, and we multiply and get -8. What we find is that our remainder is 0. So yes, it's a factor. And we can even write this as x plus 4 times x to the third power plus, 2x to the third power plus 2. Those coefficients coming from the solution of our division. So we can rewrite this whole polynomial like so. Right, that's in factored form. That's kind of the big idea for this unit.